In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently send emails through HubSpot to your contacts, whether you're reaching out individually or to multiple contacts at once. This guide will help you streamline the process. Let's dive straight in. First things first, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. If you haven't set up an account yet, make sure to do so before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Contacts section. From the main dashboard, locate the Contacts tab and click on it. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the contacts you've accumulated in your database. The contact list is your central hub for reaching out to potential clients, keeping track of communication, and managing your network. Now, take a moment to browse through your list and decide who you'll be contacting. You can select either a single contact or choose multiple contacts simultaneously if you prefer to send the same message to a few people. Simply click the checkbox next to each contact's name to select them. It's a handy feature that allows for bulk emailing without the hassle of individual messages, saving time and effort. Once you've got your contact or contacts selected, look for the Send Email button. It's usually prominently displayed on the dashboard, so you shouldn't have much trouble finding it. Click on this button and you'll be directed to the email editor, a versatile tool that offers plenty of creative freedom. In the email editor, you can start crafting your message. This is where you can really make a connection by writing a well-thought-out email. If you have specific details about your contact, consider using personalization tokens. These tokens automatically insert personal information, like the recipient's first name, making your emails feel more personalized and engaging. After drafting your message, take a moment to review it. Double-check for any spelling or grammatical errors, ensure that your messaging aligns with your intent, and that all personal details are accurately referenced. If you're satisfied with how everything looks, you have two options. You can send the email immediately or schedule it for later delivery. Scheduling can be particularly beneficial if you want to target recipients in different time zones or if you're adhering to a specific campaign timeline. Once your email is sent, HubSpot's tracking features come into play. You can monitor email opens, clicks, and even replies directly within the contact timeline. This seamless tracking helps you gauge your outreach's effectiveness, allowing you to tweak and refine your communication strategies if needed. And there you have it. These simple steps will help you connect with your contacts more effectively through HubSpot. Thank you for watching this guide, and happy emailing.